What you're seeing on my screen right now is an hack wallet, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hack something like this so that you too can get yours and also claim it by the end of this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to hack over $400,000 worth of BNB on your Trust wallet. This is an GPT and I show you crypto things to make money online. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and let me show you how to hack BNB and also claim something like that on your Trust wallet. So the first thing you want to do is to come to BSC Scan. So when you come to BSC Scan here, bscscan.com, and it's going to bring you to this page. So we're going to scroll down. You're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, come to the latest transaction here. You're going to see the latest transactions here. So we're going to come down and then click on this. Click on any of this. You can see this just transacted 5 seconds ago. These transactions are all recent transactions. So we're just going to click on any one of them here. So I'm just going to click on this first one here. And this is going to take us to this next page. So we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the screen here where it says transaction hash here. You're going to see transaction hash. And when you come here, you're going to see the deposit that this deposited some seconds ago. So this is what we want to use here. So you're just going to come here and click on this first one here. You can click on any of them there, then try to copy it. So it's going to bring you to this page. You can see right here that it's just transacted 53 seconds ago. So we're going to scroll down, and you're going to see from, and you're going to see to. So what we want here is a to. So we just want to copy this right here. So I'm going to come here and click on this copy icon here. There's this copy icon here, so I'm just going to click on it, and you can see I've copied it. I'm just going to open my Trust wallet and then come to this page where it says wallet here. If you've not updated your Trust wallet, you can go to your app store and update it if this is going to work to make this, to ensure this works for you, alright? So what you're going to do is to come to this place here. You're going to click on that and you're going to come to this plus icon here. So you're going to click on that plus icon, and then you're going to come to existing wallet. So click on existing wallet, it's going to bring you to this page, and then you're going to click on view only wallet. So I'm going to click on view only wallet here, and I'm going to select BNB smart chain. So this BNB smart chain, make sure you select the BNB smart chain, alright? So this is BNB smart chain. If you don't see it, you just want to scroll down or you search for it and you're going to see the BNB smart chain. So I'm just going to click on that, and then you can decide to give it a name. So I can decide to say hack wallet. So this is my hack wallet too. Alright, so I'm done with that, and the next thing I'm going to do is to come and paste the address we copied here. So I pasted and I'm going to click on confirm here. Alright, so we're done, and what we're going to do here, you can see welcome on board, and the next thing we're going to do is to click on start using Trustwallet. And you can see guys, we've actually claimed over $427,000 worth of BNB right here. So this is just an amazing trick to claim something like this. This is a view only wallet. As you can see here, is a view only wallet. Now the only way you can get access to this wallet is if you have the seed phrase. So if you're able to get the seed phrase from the person, then you'll be able to hack this wallet. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is just the only way that you can perform this hack. You can only view this, but you cannot send it. So if you want to send it, you just have to get the person's seed phrase. But I'm not showing you this to go and do that. I'm just showing this to protect yourself online. Alright? Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. See you next time.